Can't believe them take the Maverick out of my comfort zone to settle this non-argument. Is your fastest time in athletics always your best performance? Some people say yes, fastest time equates to best performance. But this is foolishness. Your best performance will not necessarily be your fastest time. We're talking about best overall performance. All things considered, intangibles and tangibles. We're talking about conditions, wind reading, quality of the opponents, the magnitude of the event, the time on the clock. All factors considered. There are circumstances where your fastest time will not be your best performance overall. Let us say Elaine Thompson competed at the low pressure, insignificant, all-comers meet at the National Stadium, running against Miss Daisy and Auntie Lola and wins in 10.75. Then Elaine proceeds to the Olympics and wins the Olympic gold, beating all the top sprinters in the world in pouring rain and running into a negative headwind. And she fight the elements to beat the field and win the gold medal in a marginally slower 10.76 seconds. The mad people theory says Elaine's win at the all-comers meet against Miss Daisy and Auntie Lola was a bigger and better performance. Simply because she ran a marginally faster time than she ran in winning the big Olympic gold medal. Believe it or not, that is what some people are vehemently and seriously arguing. But don't worry, we have a place for them. Ready and waiting. We need to get these people off the streets. They are a danger to society. So, me check out. They can take my room. Take my room.